So welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be addressing two confusing questions, right? We're going to be differentiating them. Now, what is the difference between UI and UX? UI and UX. So we have the user interface, which is the UI, and the user experience, which is the UX. So now moving down to the user interface. But before that, know that they are similar, they work together, but they are different. Now the user interface. Now this is simply what the website looks like and how it feels. Now put it like it is simply the look and feel of a website. Now it covers how the user sees the website and also can interact with it. Talking about the layout, the colors, the buttons, the icons, and as well as the typography and also the overall visual design of the website. Now think about it as well like a paint, like a button, or basically like a design of a car's dashboard. It answers the question, what does this look like? That is the user interface. Now the second is the user experience, which is the UX. Now the second one is the UX, which is the user experience. Now this covers how it feels when someone is using the website, the experience felt, or how it feels when someone or a user is using the website. Is it smooth? Is it difficult or easy to navigate? Is it confusing? Is it frustrating? Right, so it covers everything from the page structure to the flow, the speed, and basically everything about the website as to how it feels for the user using the website. Now it answers the question, how does it work for the user? A simple example goes thus. So if your website is beautiful but not user friendly, I mean difficult to use, and that is a good UI but a poor UX. If you have a super friendly, easy to navigate website and an ugly looking website, then that is a good UX, but of course a poor UI. Now, a beautiful and a good website balances both. So in summary, UI, which is the user interface, is what we can see and what users can feel, what they can relate with, right? And why the UX is simply the experience that the user experiences while using the website. As simple as that. Now, both of them work hand in hand to ensure that the website is beautiful and as well user friendly. If you gain value for your time on this space, as usual, please hit the like button, drop your comments in the comment section as well as your questions, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.